Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this amazing PowerPoint template with these amazing animations? So let me show you how to make them, but subscribe to my channel. So go to Insert tab and insert an image as the background. Now go to Shapes and add a rectangle onto the right side like this. Add a triangle and put it next to this rectangle and rotate it and select both the shapes and unite them. Change the color to black and add a rectangle right here. Change its color to dark blue and give it an outline of white. Now add a boundary rectangle like this and change its color to white. Give it preset. Go to shapes and add another boundary rectangle right here. Reduce its inner radius. Decrease its size. There you go. Change its color to yellow and give it outline. Add a rectangle right here on top of the template and send both of these rectangles to forward and change that rectangle's color to silver. That's it. Now go to shapes and add a rectangle right like you have done on the top and change its color to yellow. Send it to the back and send this rectangle to the front. Add a text box and add your text. Change its color. I'm using yellow and increase its size and give it spaces. Decrease the second letter size and change its color. There you go. Now go to Insert tab and Shapes and add a text box right here as well. Enter your text. Increase its size. Change its color to black and give it a design. Let's use this yellow one and remove there you go. Put it onto the top and change this one to blue. Adjust it. Select this text and change the text. Change its color to white. Increase its size. There you go. Now what you have to do is add your text right here and give some space. Change the color of the creative and give it another style. Remove it and you have to give it text effects. Let's use some shadow. I'm gonna use bubble and there you go. Increase its size. Select this text as well and give it shape effects as well. From format shape you can add more text effects. Move the text to below the slide. Increase its size. Now what you have to do is add a triangle right here. Rotate it and you have to duplicate it and rotate that one as well and change both of their colors. I'm using silver and give them outline, give them shadow, Decrease their size. Put them close to the text like this. Move them upwards. Select both of them and change the colors. I'm using yellow and silver. Increase this rectangle boundary size. Move the text upwards and adjust all of the shapes and text. Add a triangle right here and put it onto the previous triangle, but decrease its size. There you go. Decrease its size a little bit more. Adjust it using the keys and change its color to gray and give it shadow. There you go. Now it's time for animations. Be sure to make all of these animations if you want the same result as mine. Also give the timing as I have done. So this is a preview. So this is the final result. There you go. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join my Patreon with the link in the description.